Yes, do you need a fashion school that can help you get your sewing process better? In a few months, we have a fashion school that can help you get yourself acquainted with technical things like this relating to fashion designing. So you can get yourself registered. There's usually a link I post in most of my pictures. The link directs you to our WhatsApp page where our online person who handles the WhatsApp page gets to talk to you about the registration process. Registration is on presently, so anyone who is interested, you would get to be trained on the basics. When I mean the basics, you might not be going into details like this. We will teach you what necklines are. We will teach you what sleeves are. We will teach you what skirts are. We will teach you what volumes are. So once you learn the basics, after learning the basics, you can then start manipulating your course into anything you desire. Like this design now. When I take out this whole rose, when I take out this particular rose from it, what's left is my basic bodice as well as my basic skirt, which somebody in a 3-month class can do. Somebody who doesn't have any tailoring idea, even if you are new online, you are just following. Once you know how to take measurements, you can form your basic bodice and your basic skirts. This particular design is something you can make on your own. It's pretty simple. So that it's just the element of the design that's taking your regular basic bodice and basic skirts into the next level, and it's making it look like, oh, that design is so lovely. Once you know the basics. So the school teaches you the very, very basic parts of tailoring. Thereafter, when you are done from the school, you can then start manipulating your cut into anything. Okay, so let me quickly go on. Now this needs to be passed inside the seam allowance here, so I will still be loosening this part to pass that in so that I have the detail in like that. This side, this thread is already short. I need to put a new thread. At the end, I will bulk everything in, then sew. Bring it in, put it back, bring it in, put it back, to be able to sit this in properly so that when my client wears it, it doesn't just dangle or fall off. I put it in place so that it doesn't go up and down. And that's a quick one. Do you have any questions? Sweetheart, is there any question there?
Said I need online classes.
You need online classes. Okay, there is the online class that you can go on, which is on the mobile app. Subscribe to it. It is statutory money. I deliberately did it as cheap as that because I will not always be online to go there and be teaching. I'm very, very busy. But on the mobile app, there are so many designs we've worked on in the past for basic people, for intermediate sewing, and then for the advanced sewing. I posted 2 days ago the cone design. Yes, the cone design is actually on the mobile app that you can go there, learn, and get the process. Aside from that, I don't do anything at all. I'm just starting tailoring. Even as little as moving the sewing machine is on the mobile app. How to know how to divide your 3 fronts. 1, 2, 3. Every time we make clothes, every time you see clothes made, we always say 1, 2, 3. How do you get that? It's on the mobile app. And how much are you expected to pay for it? 1,100. In fact, it's practically 1,000 naira per month. The 100 naira is the service used on the app to be able to make the app work. Anyway, you understand what I'm saying? Service charge is the 100 naira, so it's actually 1,000. So you get to pay just 1,000 naira for the whole month to sit on my mobile app and watch anything I've placed there for you. It's AWOOF. Register there and get that done. Any other question?
Can we pay through bank transfer?
Oh yes, of course. You can pay through bank transfers. You can. There is a number there that you can get in touch with. Yes, you can get in touch with the admin responsible for that. They will hook you up. Also, if you don't have that link, if you follow any of those links that I usually post online, and you say mobile app, you want to register for the mobile app, I will link you with the person who is in charge. Yes, I get this question all the time. Many people send us messages on our WhatsApp group to please put me through on this. It's not me that's there, auntie. It's not me that's on the WhatsApp. So many times when you send messages and it's not answered, it's because I'm not the one there. Okay? Reason is I work. I am very busy. If I sit down and train only you, I will not be able to do that. That would be waste of my time. Seriously, and you can't pay me to teach only you. It's not just possible. By the time I give you my bill, you will run away. So I'll rather I teach a large audience, a group of people, because I know, okay, if I'm taking this time out, I should be able to touch many people than sit down and concentrate on only you. So many times when you post a picture there and say, please let me put me through this, and I do not answer, you did not even send it to me. First of all, you sent it to someone else, okay? And then of course when they check that, when my staff see it, they show me, and most times when they show me, I'm like, the other things I'm doing, I cannot do that one immediately, so I don't get around to attending to it. But the Facebook group, I deliberately created it for you to be able to send any question in. If I did not answer you, another tailor somewhere will sorry for you and answer you the question. And I think it has helped so many people over the months to be able to get better in their sewing. So at least commend us on that. Don't now come on my WhatsApp group and start, or not group, I keep calling it group, I don't have the WhatsApp group. Don't now come on my WhatsApp page and start insulting me. Some of you, because I didn't answer, you now start insulting me. It's funny. So if I had answered, you no need to insult me. Because I now didn't answer, you now start insulting me. And you're not even talking to me. You're talking to one of my staff. And if they get rude at you, you will say, Madam Valisimo said this or said that. So please, that is the reason why I don't even attend to it. So any questions you have, post it on the group here. The group, the Facebook group. Anyone who is online will attend to it for you and make it work. Okay, so those are the in-betweens. I hope you learned one or two things. You learned how to make this particular route. I would love to see designs you make, henceforth having this design on it and posting it and tagging me as well. Tag Valisimo Fashion.
Please, where can I see the app?
Can you see the app? It's on Google Play Store actually. Go to Google Play Store, click on it, download it into your mobile phone, and of course you have access to it after you have paid. Once you pay, you will get connected.
What's the name of the app? The
mobile app is Valisimo. Just say Valisimo. Just type Valisimo on Google Play Store. You will get it there. Any other question? Okay. In the absence of no other questions, I have some light issues. Hello, darling. Please, I'm online. Just give me some minutes. Okay. I have some light issues. Let me quickly sort it out and bye-bye. Thank you very much. What's happening now?